Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A crystal gray MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a Linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. And in we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C300 4MATIC has 27,687 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.